So today we are with Eric from Equifax. So Eric, we have a few questions like for first-time home buyers and new
Sure.
immigrants. Why is credit score important?
So credit card scores are very important in Canada because a lot of the decisioning in Canada is based on how good your score is. So the better your score, the better terms you get, the better interest rates you get, and also the better providers that you can get if you're going to buy a car or a house or even a property rental. So it's always good to have a great score in Canada.
What are the tips for like new immigrants or first-time home buyers to increase their credit score or improve it?
Yeah. So two things. First of all, very quickly, credit scores are smart. So if you are buying a car or a house, the credit scores actually know that you're doing a lot of inquiries. So they won't actually affect your score. And there's a nuance to that, but definitely be conscientious that all inquiries are not treated equally. But general advice, if you want to improve your score, three really key things. One is make sure your credit file is correct because there's so many people in Canada, sometimes it's hard to have all the right information on the right file.
Okay.
Second of all, always pay your bills on time. Doesn't matter if it's a small bill, always pay on time because that maximizes your score. And then the last thing, which is really important, is always worry about your utilization. This is how much money you carry month to month. Keep that low. If you can keep it under 30%, those are the three areas that will really help to keep your score up.
Okay.
History is hard if you're new to Canada because the more history you have, the better your score is stable.
Yeah.
Credit mix is how much do you have. So my advice is don't go and get every credit card out there.
Yeah.
Just get enough trade items, a loan, a line of credit, a mortgage, just enough, because if you have too much, that can hurt your score.
Okay.
And lastly, when you talk about new inquiries,
Yeah.
very much like you said before, don't go applying everywhere.
Yeah.
Because if you do too much applying, then people start to say you're credit seeking and that can affect your score as well.
Okay.
So, those are the key areas where really to help your score out.
So how many credit cards should we get?
Well, I suggest, again, just enough.
Okay.
Maybe two or three is really more than enough.
Okay.
And also, if you're a person who collects points, it's better not to have too many cards. Because
Yeah.
again, too many cards makes it look like you're credit seeking, and that can hurt your score.
Yeah, because whenever we go to the big stores,
They all want
they
you to
all
get
are
it.
selling the cards and stuff.
Yeah.
So people just sign up and get
Yeah.
keep on
That's
collecting
for
the
their
credit
own
cards.
benefit, not for you. So you got to be conscious and be careful of yourself.
Yeah, so two or three, that's enough, not more than that.
That's more than enough for you to develop a good score.
Okay.